Hello everyone, this is Resilience Coach Jean Morrison with DIY Resilience, and this is Resilience Time. Get ready for a healthy dose of brain rest. You need brain rest as part of your DIY Resilience self-care plan. About 17 minutes for every 52 minutes you work for optimum performance. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to be notified of new Resilience Time tips and live events. Now lay down or sit comfortably and take up as much space as possible. Send a message to your brain that you matter. Close your eyes or focus quietly on your screen and breathe. Breathe in and out. In and out. You can feel anything. Stop to label and really see your emotions. Like most everything, emotions come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. There are big, medium, and small emotions, right? Emotions that feel great, and others that are very difficult to feel, and some that are just okay and in the middle. Some emotions are big and amazing, like when you have something to celebrate and do something you're proud of or are sharing a friend's happiness. Some emotions are big and challenging, like when you can't be around friends or family, or lose a special pet or a person in your life. But have you noticed that all emotions pass? Really intense and challenging emotions come and go, and even extremely joyful emotions don't last forever. You can feel anything and be your best self. So when emotions are really difficult, it's okay to feel them fully. Cry it out, take up space, go for a walk, hug someone or something, and allow the really bad feeling to be there and then go. You don't have to worry. You have time on your side. Soon, the really intense emotion will pass. And when it does, you'll have lots of opportunities to feel other things. You can learn important lessons from those difficult emotions and continue being and doing your best. Over time, if you really see and label emotions as they come and go, you'll get used to their hanging around and come to be grateful for the opportunities they present. You can rest, knowing that you can feel anything. Be grateful and do what's right in any circumstance. You can feel the happy, sad, silly and frightened, surprised, angry and mad, confused and frustrated, bored and overwhelmed, and amazed and excited, and everything. You can rest, knowing that you can feel anything and be able to return to being calmly you. Breathe in and out. In and out. Now you can continue your brain rest into deeper contemplation, or get back to enjoying the rest of your day. Remember to stop and label emotions. Look and define them. Then go and return to rest as soon as possible. Breathe and be DIY resilient in all you do. Until next time,